How to watch movies on IMDb on your phone. Your phone is the easiest place to use IMDb as a where-to-watch tool. Set it up once, and every film is 2 taps away from playing. Install the IMDb app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and sign in with your Amazon or IMDb account. Tap the profile icon, open Settings, and set your country correctly because streaming links differ per region. Open Preferred Services and select the apps you already pay for. IMDb will list those first everywhere. Install the actual streaming apps you use, such as Prime Video, Netflix, or a regional service, and stay signed into them. Search for a film in IMDb, or browse top picks, fan favorites, and the top 250 for suggestions. Open the title page and look at the Watch section under the poster for the list of providers with subscription, rent, and buy options. Tap the Provider button. Your phone switches to that app and opens the film directly, ready to play. Cast or AirPlay from the Provider app if you want to watch on a TV, and use the IMDb watch list to keep track of what is next. Tip: IMDb only plays trailers and clips itself. If you were expecting free full films in the app, that was IMDb TV and Freevee, which closed in August 2025.